Hey guys, Gerald Hall with Amcoat Industrial here. Want to talk to you about concrete coatings. So you're thinking about starting a concrete coatings business. Well, starting any business is risky. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 20% of all businesses fail in the first 2 years, and 45% fail in the first 5 years. The first question you have to ask yourself when you're starting any business, is there a demand for my product or service? Well, the good news is that according to Global Market Insights, the concrete coatings business is projected to grow at 4.9% compound annual growth rate over the next 7 years. So the good news is that there's a huge demand. And at Amcoat, we can attest to that. In 2022, we tripled our concrete coatings business. With that growth, however, it brings in a lot of competition. So having the right business model to take your concrete coatings company to market is critically important. The three most common ways to starting and growing a concrete coatings business are doing it yourself. We'll talk about that. There are franchise models that are very successful. And then there are dealership models across the concrete coatings landscape. So first, let's talk about do it yourself. The elements of starting that are you have to find a product supplier, develop a marketing plan, find and obtain installation and product training, and that's a big lift. It certainly can be done. But the question you have to ask yourself is, do you have the time, the business acumen and expertise to accomplish all of that on your own? There are a lot of folks that have done it, and it's one way to go, but it's certainly a lot of work. The next option, and it's the most common in the industry, is to obtain a dealership from a product manufacturer. Dealerships are usually structured with exclusive territories, and that's really important to help eliminate competition. Established dealerships will bring with it an established brand. And how the American consumer buys, we buy branded solutions. If you think about the products and services that you purchase, they're typically associated with a national brand. There's a lot of competition in home improvement in general, so being associated with a well-established national brand is critical to your success as a concrete coatings dealer. Dealerships also offer a very low cost of startup. Most dealerships and startup costs range between $50,000 and $75,000 to start a business that can do more than $1 million in revenue. Unlike franchises, most successful dealership programs do not have ongoing fees. The product manufacturers rely on your purchases of their products to make their profits, which allows you to continue to reinvest in your business and maximize the profits of your own dealership. Strong dealership programs also bring a turnkey sales and marketing plan to the table for your dealership program. This should include marketing materials, marketing plans. It should include proven marketing partners for you to associate your dealership with and help you generate leads. Any reputable dealership program should bring to the table both classroom and field installation training for concrete coatings. There are a lot of variables to installing concrete coatings on garage floors, commercial installations, outdoor concrete pads. So a thorough and robust training program is critical to your success. Having the right equipment is key to your success as a concrete coatings dealership. A good dealership program will not only have equipment list, supplies list, all the elements you need to outfit a trailer, they will have relationships with equipment and product suppliers to provide group purchasing discounts and advice on the best equipment and products to help you install your garage floor coatings. And finally, you can purchase a franchise. Franchises offer all of the elements of a dealership program, and they have a very strong, proven track record for success. In many cases, franchises can offer even more robust services in dealership. Services like lead generation. They provide you with software for setting leads and managing projects, and answering services to set leads and appointments. Many franchises also have a liquidity requirement. This means that you'll need to bring working capital to the table, and that usually ranges from just a few $1,000s to upwards of $80,000 in working capital to procure a franchise. And finally, the heart and soul of franchises are the franchise fees. These fees range from 6 to 12% depending on the level of service you want from your franchisor. Hopefully the points that we covered today about starting a concrete coatings business was helpful and useful to you. Thanks for stopping by.